Want to become certified Microsoft Security Operations Analyst and master the art of threat detection and response? Whether you are a SOC analyst, cybersecurity learner, or cloud enthusiast, this course is your launchpad to SC-200 success. I am Amit. I have over 50 cloud certifications across Microsoft, AWS, Oracle. I have designed courses to be the most hands-on, exam-focused experience built for real-world security operations and certifications mastery. You will work through practical labs and enterprise-grade scenarios using Microsoft Sentinel, Defender for Endpoint, Defender for Identity, and KQL-powered threat hunting, all within Microsoft's unified security ecosystem. Let's turn your security skill into certification and your certification into career-defining momentum. I'll see you in the course.